Hi, Folkens. What's up? Welcome to Discover with Friends birthday video boxing, all of those stuff. As you guys already know, 19th November was my birthday, and my friends, lovely people, threw a surprise party for me. I mean, a surprise party. When I say surprise, I mean surprise. And it was so beautiful. I felt loved. I felt appreciated. I mean, if you haven't even watched the video, please go watch that video because it is lit. It is amazing. The girl was looking up sassy, pretty, cute. I was thinking of sexy or pretty or cute. And my beautiful hair. I know. Yeah. So it was very beautiful. I felt so loved. I'm so lucky to have these people in my life. I have never had anybody do like a surprise party or anything like that for me because I don't know. And you know what made it very funny? So after the event, I think on Monday, I was watching a video by Eniola, and he said if you haven't gotten any of these three things, then check your character because your character is bad. And the first one was if you've not gotten anybody to get a surprise party for you, it means your character is bad. And the second one was if you're not getting anybody to like give you a gift or something. I don't know, something like that. So when I saw that video, I was like, although my character is good though. I don't have a bad character afterwards. After all. But like, that was just aside. But then I was so happy and so excited. And today is close to a week before after my birthday, and I am here yet to unbox the gift I got. I wanted to do a video unboxing it because it's my channel. And that's a period. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna be doing it based on the first gift I got. Yeah. Let me go get a video. Let me go get the first gift I got. So this is the first gift I got. I already displayed something in this gift, a bracelet. It was so cute. So like, let's do that. I mean, I mean, I mean, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this back? Are you seeing this back? It's so cute. I like the color because I don't have a bag like this. Like I don't have a bag like this. I have like just black bags. But this color is like it's given. It's given. It's given. Yeah. So and then this is a chain with the Nana written on it. Oh yeah, I think so. I don't know how you guys are gonna see, but yeah, it has Nana on it. So yeah. Next. No, yeah. Gift number 2. This was for my roomie. Oh, well. Disclaimer: some of these gifts I already have seen what they are. Some, not all, but I mean, Tommy Hill figure. What I mean? Do you have a designer watch? No, there's a period. I'm not your mate. This is so pretty. I mean, oh. I mean, you see how beautiful this is? See how beautiful this is? I love this so much because of the color. and everything. It's pretty, so pretty. And I think there was a note that I have not seen or something. I don't know what this is, but I think it's a note or something. Let's see. Okay. Happy glorious birthday to you. May the Lord bless you and grant you all your wishes. You are an amazing woman. You are going. What an amazing woman you are going to be. Look at it. Period. Oh, I love this. I love this. I have not read this. And if you're having it, it's cute. The next gift. Oh, the next gift was from my other really. Let me show you what she got me. Jamo. The Woman's Study Bible by Thomas Nelson. So I wanted to order this Bible for myself for my 24th birthday, and she saw and she's like, "Oh my God, I'm gonna get it for you if you want it." I was like, and she did. I love it. Nice is easy to read and understand. It has a lot of explanation, has pictures. I joined them. Yeah, I'm gonna show you later because the video might be long. I joined them and all of that, and I mean, I love this. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. All right. This one is good. This is a victory shoe. I have friends, loved ones. And let me do the unboxing. For you. I already knew like a color, but like I didn't know technically what it was. But you know me, you know I like heels. I like to walk in my heels. Oh, see what is written at the back. You will soon become a noble and beautiful lady. Hey, you thought I'm lying. You will soon become a beautiful and noble and beautiful lady. Who are you talking to? Me? Hey, I'm not anybody's mate anymore. No. These gifts are giving me like orgasm. I'm so excited. I mean, it is me. I think this is my nice gift. So this was for a video. This was like I wasn't really expecting this gift, but I did get it. I'm like, so this is like pretty an F set. I mean, it's so pretty. It's so nice. It has candles. It has soap, body wash, body butter. Oh, body lotion, lavender. Who doesn't like lavender? I mean, I love it. I love it so much. And a gift card, a Walmart gift card. And the last but not the least gift, which I know more gifts are coming my way, and they will not be here until like I'm done with my video. But let me show you my last gift. You guys, okay, well, you might not know, but like, I like to smell good, but like, I'm not a perfume person. So, I love this gift. This is, it has Christmas theme. Oh, A body wash. This is so pretty. I want to smell it, but I'm not gonna do that now. I'm gonna do that later. And yeah, so these are like some of the gifts I have for my friends. Others told me the orders have stuff and they're gonna be coming, and I can't wait for them to get here. And what I got myself was the iPhone, and I'm getting myself something else. I think maybe a camera. Oh no, that should be an agenda for next year. Somebody should get me a camera. You guys are my loved ones. Give me a camera. What is wrong with you getting me a camera? So this will be the end of my unboxing video. I love my friends so much. I really, really appreciate them. God bless each and every one of you. All the money you got to do a birthday. Hey, hmm, I I'm flabbergasted. All of those things. I'm super excited. I don't even have places to keep most of these things because my room is actually full from gifts and stuff. But I am grateful. I love you all. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And let's hit the views and then the likes and then the subscribers. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys in another video. This is to check out and tell you that the girl is 24. She's in a new age, blissfully glowing, the skin, everything. Okay, I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Bye.